And welcome back, everyone, to a windy day at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. Today I'm standing at runway 27, which is known as Buitenveldertbaan. Because landing's taking place, and incoming is a 777. China Cargo 205 Boeing 777 coming from Shanghai. Flight time 11 hours and 45 minutes. Beautiful way to start the week. Okay, coming up next is KLM E175 coming from Croatia. Croatia. Flying time 2:36. And thank you all so much for tuning back into my little amateur channel. It's just my hobby, so it's not like I'm an expert or anything. And yeah, who knows? Maybe one day I might get myself some professional equipment, but that's not really a priority at the moment. But thank you all so much for tuning in anyway. So it's kind of chilly. It is windy. It's windy, it's sunny, and it's cold. And it does rain in between. Next one. You can see it already. Hopefully the mic is picking up my voice. There's also E175. Where is it again? And this one is coming from Poland. Krakow. There it is. I know it's a nice way to start with a 777. So fingers crossed, I'm gonna get a few more big boys or girls. So turning back around real fast, and this one is KLM flight 1220 Boeing 737 coming from Sweden, Stockholm, Sweden. The flying time according to this is 1:57, but of course it could be less or more. Probably less, a little bit less maybe. Okay, next one. So as you can see, everything is coming from this direction. Everything that's coming from the Americas going over to center, and everything that's coming over from this side is coming to 27 Buitenvelder. Next one is also a KLM 737. This is a 700, and this one is coming from Copenhagen. Did I see a good Copenhagen, Denmark? Yes. All right. Coming in from Slovenia is KLM E175. And of course, I say KLM. It's KLM City Hopper, but it is KLM. KLM flight 1338. Also E175 coming from Poland. Oh. Okay, that one was kind of shaky. Trying to multitask. Next one, German Airways flight 1286. It's a E190. The wind is picking up. I got a police chopper. Oh yeah, so this one is coming from Denmark, Aalborg. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Next one is KLM flight 1202 coming from Oslo, Norway. Next one, coming from Zurich, Switzerland, is KLM 1922. It's a E190. Man, that was a really strong gust. It floated a little bit. I was hoping for a go around, but still no go around. Oh, there's also a good bit of rain coming this way. That's too bad. Oh yeah. Shit. Hmm. All right. Next one is KLM 737, and this one is coming from Prague. look like the rain is staying away, so that's really good. Let's see what else is coming. This one is KLM flight 1306 E175, and this one is coming from Poland, also Gdansk, if I'm saying it right. You know, I'm not the best. I am not the best with names, and we can see the A350 rolling, probably going over to Polderban. Yeah, they're using Polderban for takeoffs at the moment, so that's where it's going. And back to this one. Started off with a biggie. Would like to see a biggie again. Want to see a biggie or a go around? It's really cold. It's really cold. It's really cold. I mean, it is cold. Ooh, yeah, it is cold. When I'm done, I'm gonna go to the Mac and I'm gonna grab myself a cappuccino. Yep, I'm gonna go to the drive-through and then I'm gonna just drive back over to Amersfoort. All right, next is EasyJet A319 coming from Poland, Krakow. All right. Let me see what else I see coming. Do I see some big? Do I see some wide bodies coming anywhere? Let me just zoom out. Oh, so many planes. It's okay. This one is coming to Amsterdam also. And this one is. All right. Let me deal with this one first, and then I'll look. You can still see the A380 taxiing over to the Polderbaan. Oh, yep. All right. Next is KLM 1954 Boeing 737 8 coming from Greece, Athens. I would love to go to Greece one day. Oops. Yeah. Next one is kind of far out. Let me see what it is. Next one is a Boeing 737-800 also, and this one is coming from Austria. KLM. Yep, KLM 1904. Yep. Next one is Lofty A22, A320. Lufthansa A320 coming from Munich also. Flight number 2306. And behind that we got a Pegasus A321 Neo. Piggy. And let me see. Is there something interesting? Oh, alright. Focus, man. Focus. You need to focus. Ooh, look at that. Lean. Look at that. Lean. Still waiting on my go around, but it's not go around. Lufty A320. Okay. Let me just scan the skies to see. Where am I? Oh, 747 just took off from Buitenveldertbaan, Singapore. Yep, and the A380 going in a bit also, and the 777 just took off. A lot of fun over on the Buitenveldertbaan at the moment. Dang. Anyway. What's next? Where am I? Yep, Pegasus A321 Neo. Delayed. Coming from Turkey. Istanbul. Flying time at 3:34. Delayed. Man, sometimes I could kick myself. Okay, what's next? I think I'm going to be winding down. Let me just do some scanning. Would like to close off with a wide body. Let's say a 777 or a 787. What's this? Yes, I got a 7879 coming this way. It is. It's going to be the next 15 minutes or so, maybe. But I'm going to wait on it. Where is it coming from? Let me make sure. It's coming from China, so it is going to come to this runway. Okay, I'm going to be waiting on this 7879 coming from China or Beijing. Yeah, so in the meantime, we're going to be doing some little ones. I think the 747, I believe the 747, let me try it again. I believe the 747 is flying over me now. Took off, made a sharp turn. Can't see it because it is cloudy. What is this again? And where is it coming from? Did I even look? Can't remember. It is German Wings. German Airways. German Wings. German Airways. Go around, go around, go around, go around. These pilots aren't listening to me. It's too bad. Anyway. Let me see if I could find it. What was it and where was it coming from? Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Where's the 787? There's the 787. In front of the 787 is an Austrian, and in front of the Austrian is that's not coming this way. That's not coming this way. Is E295, and in front of that, oh, let me turn this way. Alright, what's this one? This one is this one is coming from Frankfurt, and what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, ERJ. Oh no, wait a minute. This one that landed a while ago. Am I messing it up again? No, I'm not messing it up. This is German Airways. Yep, E190. Oh yeah, E190. See, amateur young. Nexty. Next is a KLM 1654 E190-400, and this one is coming from Italy, Florence. Well, I was waiting, but I think we're done on the. I think we're done on this runway. I think they just switched to. Oh no, wait, that's a Coast Guard. I was gonna say I think they switched to Altamira, but this is a Coast Guard. And a TUI 787 is it Coast Guard? I believe it. Is it a Coast Guard or is it a private jet? Yeah, it is a Coast Guard. So, lovely people. I was waiting on that 7879. Oh yeah, there it is. Sorry, I was waiting on the 7879, but as you can see, the runway is the runway closed. And are the lights on or off? I can't really tell. No, the lights are still on. Police chopper taken off. Or is it coming into land? Yeah, let's leave him. And the business jet moving. Okay, let me check to see what else is happening. Back again, back again. So two more, and then I'm done. This one is Austrian A320. And then it's gonna be after that it's gonna be the 7879, and that's gonna be my last one for today. And let me just say thank you all so much for tuning in, as usual. If you don't mind, a like would be great, if it's not too much trouble. And if you're a sub, thank you so much. If not, please consider doing so. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As you know, I'm not a pro. I'm just amateur. It's my hobby, so it's also a way for me to relax. And I do love planes. Star Alliance. And the final one for today is a really beautiful bird. Is it the right one? Let me see. Or did one slip in? Oh no, one slipped in front of it. It's not a 787. First, there's an EasyJet A320 coming from Manchester. Okay. So the 7879 is going to wait a few more minutes. I see it's in the background already. You can see it on a glide slope. There it is. But first, EasyJet A320 from Manchester in the United Kingdom. Okay, and let's get back to the last one of the day. I can see planes also taking off from Buitenveldertbaan. Let's get back to the last one of the day. KLM 7879 coming from Beijing in China. And thank you all so much for tuning in. And I'll see you guys next time.